Vastu Shastra, an ancient Indian science of architecture and design, provides guidelines for constructing buildings in harmony with natural forces to promote health, wealth, and prosperity. Among the various directional principles outlined in Vastu Shastra, the west direction holds significant importance. Understanding the role of the west direction in Vastu can help in harnessing its benefits and mitigating any potential adverse effects. The west direction in Vastu Shastra is associated with the planet Saturn and the element of air. Saturn, or Shani, is known for its strong influence on discipline, structure, and hard work. Proper utilization of the west direction can bring stability, growth, and progress, particularly in professional endeavors. Additionally, the element of air governs movement and energy flow, making the west an essential direction for ensuring a balanced and vibrant living space. One of the primary benefits of correctly utilizing the west direction in Vastu Shastra is its positive impact on career and financial stability. The west direction is believed to support professional growth and success. Placing important workspaces, such as home offices or study areas, in the west can enhance focus, productivity, and opportunities for advancement. The west direction plays a crucial role in balancing the energy flow within a building. According to Vastu principles, this direction should be neither too elevated nor too depressed. An imbalance can lead to negative outcomes such as stagnation or instability in life. Ensuring proper ventilation and maintaining a clutter-free environment in the west can promote a healthy and dynamic flow of energy. It is generally advised to avoid placing master bedrooms in the west. However, if unavoidable, ensure that the head of the bed faces east or south to promote better sleep and health. Kitchens should ideally be placed in the southeast or northwest directions. If located in the west, care should be taken to position the cooking stove in such a way that the cook faces east, ensuring the positive influence of the rising sun. West-facing living rooms can be beneficial for social interactions and gatherings. Ensure that seating arrangements are oriented to optimize natural light and ventilation from the west. The exterior design and landscaping of a building also play a vital role in Vastu Shastra. For west-facing properties, certain guidelines can help enhance positive vibrations. If the main entrance is in the west, it should be well lit and free from obstructions to invite prosperity and good fortune. Placing gardens or open recreational spaces in the west can balance the energy flow and provide a serene environment for relaxation and recreation. In cases where the west direction has inherent Vastu doshas, flaws, several remedies can mitigate negative effects. Placing mirrors on the western walls can help deflect negative energy and improve light flow. Using light and neutral colors in the west can enhance positive vibrations and create a calming atmosphere. Incorporating air purifying plants can improve the air quality and energy balance in the west direction. The west direction holds a vital place in Vastu Shastra, influencing career success, energy balance, and overall well-being. By understanding and applying Vastu principles related to the West, individuals can create harmonious living and working environments that foster growth and prosperity. Whether designing a new home or making adjustments to an existing one, mindful consideration of the West direction can lead to significant positive outcomes in various aspects of life. Thanks for watching.